Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Today we are going to discuss the platform of IBM Watsonx AI. So for this, we will go in Google and I'll write it down here. IBM Watsonx AI. Enter. Now click on the first link, IBM AI. Now the first thing which you will have to do is to create your ID, the IBM ID here. So click here and my IBM. Now you enter your original email and press continue. Once you enter your original email ID, they will send some numbers. These numbers are passwords. After that, it will allow you to write your own password. So you will have to copy that code here and now give the password to it. So now you have logged in into the IBM Watsonx dashboard. After login is over, you will be able to see your profile here. Now the next thing which you have to do is activate from here watsonx.ai. Click on start your free trial. Now you specify your correct email ID on which you had received the code. Just press login with this email. So now you will get the screen of IBM Watsonx.ai. Watsonx.ai is an enterprise studio that combines generative AI and machine learning, empowering you to build, train, tune, and deploy AI models which are specifically made for your business needs. I'll cross it here. Now from here, you are having the options of prepare data for AI, work with models. I'll click on prepare data for AI. Click on it. In this, you will get three options: connect to a data source, generate synthetic tabular data, and the last one is prepare and visualize the data. Click on it. Click on the prepare and visualize the data. So the options are browse from local or select from project. Browse from local. So I'll have to bring the data file here. So I'll pick up the data file. The name of the data file is part1 open. So it's giving me the message that file already exists. No need to worry. I'll give the name part1. So if it already exists, then directly we can access the file from its assets. So I'll close it from here, back, and I'll go in the assets. Click on the assets here. Now click on this file, part1. So it will allow me uh, to see the data. It will give me the overview of the data. So here we are having age, gender, chest pain type, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting ECG, maximum hours of exercise and exercise angina, and a person is having a heart disease or not. You can activate the visualization from here. Now in this, the options available are, you can see here, various charts can be found. We will start with the pie chart. Click on it, count, normal, select the variable from here. So the chest pain type and your pie chart is ready. From here, you can change the pie type. If you want the values, you don't want the values, horizontal, vertical. Again, I can change the chart type from here and select the histogram. So the histogram will be based on the continuous variable. So resting blood pressure. Histogram is ready. I want to split it by the chest pain type, the categorical variable. So you want stacked or panel. Both the options are available. You want count or percentage. Kernel density curve is required or not. So distribution curve, the pin width can be adjusted from here. Okay, next option is QQ plot to test the normality of the data. So here I'm considering the resting blood pressure distribution, which are available are autofit, beta, exponential, gamma, and many more. So select the normal distribution to see if the data is normally distributed or not. So mean, standard deviation, everything is available here. Now again click here, and this time I will select the bar chart. So the category name, category value or category name, both are available. Ascending, descending. I want to split this one more categorical variable. Heart disease, yes or no. Stacked or clustered. Okay. Bar type, y-axis, x-axis inverse, y-axis inverse, polar angle radius, polar rainbow. So these are all the visualizations available. So QQ plot. Next we can see is the box plot to check the normality of the data. So select from here, cholesterol, split according to the heart disease. Is there any significant difference in the cholesterol levels of those patients which are having the high cholesterol, and those who are having the high or low cholesterol, and those who are having the heart disease, yes or no? So that way we can check it. Next is the next chart which I can take is the line, the scatter plot. So on x-axis I will take age, on y-axis I will take the resting blood pressure. Is there any relationship between the age and resting blood pressure? Color the map according to the chest pain type. The size of the map can be considered according to the cholesterol values, and shape. You can also change the shape heart disease. So all the options are available. From here we can select heart disease no, heart disease yes, scroll. The sliding bars are available. We can save this visualization. Okay, now click here and go on the home again. Now from here, activate work with models. So in this, two are active, chat and build prompts with the foundation models, build machine learning models automatically. We will see the first one, chat and build prompts with the foundation models. So in this, the prompts available are chat, structure, and freeform. In chat, some of the prompts are already ready. Now open this. So some sample prompts are also ready. Now in this window, we can give instructions in the natural language. Here you can build a prompt from scratch or select one of the sample prompts corresponding to common generative AI tasks, including applying summarization to condense long form content, or some of the samples available are feedback classification, marketing email generation, thank you note generation. So these are all ready-made templates which are available. Now the models which are available are, click here, view foundation models. So based on size and structure, the cost will change. So there are models which have been developed by IBM, they have incorporated it, and there are some third-party models also which have been used here. Okay. The most popular models are, let me show you, Llama and the Grey Knight. These are the most popular models. Now the next thing which is available here is guardrails, this one. So you can switch on and off to activate the guardrails so that the prompt does not generate harmful, abusive, and profane language. So you can activate that AI guardrails on or off. Now let's say you want to develop the feedback classification system. So you will click here. So the inputs and outputs are ready. So if this is an input, what will be the output? Now let's take one example that the services were good, and you can write the sentiment positive. So whenever any customer writes this, it will be automatically classified this. So this is the template. This is a template which is given to you. Similarly, we are having a scenario classification. Now the scenario classification is in the free form. See, this is a structured form. So fact extraction is in the structured form, where you can go on giving the inputs and what are the outputs. But in free form, you can write the entire case, then describe your business, the number of employees, the turnover, and on that basis, it will generate the code. Now, from here, the model parameters settings can be done. So the prompting can be done, or rather the prompting, the options available are, do you want to go for greedy or sampling? Now in the sampling, I can adjust the temperature. So if I set it on 0, it will be the prompt will be more, the output will be more fact oriented. And when I make it on, when I slide it on 2, it will be more creative. Then top P nucleus, top K. So these are all the settings for the prompts. These options are available, and when I do it on the grading, no settings are available, just the repetition penalty, how much penalty is imposed if the output is generated repeatedly. So normally you should keep it on 1, that's standard. Now from here, you can see the entire prompt. Moreover, you can see the code also. Once the entire code is generated, it will be available here. Now this code can be converted into curl, node.js, and python, and it can be forwarded to the data science developers so that they can process further on it. So remember here, this is a generative AI window where chat is available. You just write down the prompt. Structured form is available. Free form is available. Now again I will go into the home, leave, and activate this work with models, and this time build machine learning models automatically. Click here. So here I'll write down the name of the experiment, which is heart disease. Create. Browse. So heart one, open, submit. So the first question which will be asked is it a time series analysis? I'll say no, it's not a time series analysis. No. So what is to be predicted? It's a classification problem. So heart disease is to be predicted. Okay. Go in the experiment settings. Is it a binary classification or a multi-class classification? So I'll say it is a binary classification. From here, another settings can be done. I'll request first time users to keep everything on the default. Data source, runtime, keep the things as it is. Cancel. Now, click on run the experiment. So the output is ready. It gives two maps: the relationship map and the progress map. Let me increase the size. Okay. Now this map, the relationship map, is divided into three layers: the top algorithms, pipelines, and the feature transformers. Now in this, uh, the best pipeline will be indicated by star. You click on it. So it gives me the accuracy. So the accuracy of this pipeline is 0.848, and the algorithm is used is gradient boost machine learning. It will also give me the confusion matrix, that how many cases have been correctly classified. So 44 and 34, they have been correctly classified. The misclassification has been done on 7 plus 7. So this is the accuracy score. From here, you will get the precision recall. Okay, the feature summary. So the best predictor for the heart disease is cholesterol. So its importance is also given here. The new feature which was created is resting blood pressure with the help of principal component analysis. New feature 8, cholesterol was considered, and PCA. So if there is any transformation of feature, that also will be indicated here. Now model information we have seen, feature summary also seen, model evaluation also seen, confusion matrix, and precision recall. Okay. The next thing which we can see here is the pipeline comparison. So all the pipelines, and these are all the statistics which are related to the machine learning, and which is the best pipeline. So depending upon your requirements, let's say that your machine learning problem requires that it should be having a high precision. So on that basis, you can pick up the pipeline, or you require the high F1. So on that basis, you can select the pipeline P4. Now again, go into the experiment summary, and this relationship map can be converted into the progress map. So spill, holdout data, training data, pre-processing, model selection, which algorithm was used, then the hyperparameter tuning. So these are the two algorithms which have been used, and the final is the P4, the best one. We can also see the P8, how it's performing, P8, and which algorithm has been used. Now scroll, and you will get the pipeline leaderboard. So pipeline 4, this one. Let me activate this one. The pipeline 4 is the best one, and this will be indicated on the leaderboard, its accuracy. So pipeline 4, 3, 8. From here, you can activate what is to be displayed, or rather The algorithm should work on what? So average precision, balance accuracy, F1. You want to see the F1 of the holdout? Click here. So it will be displayed according to that. The codes can be saved from here. Save the code. Create. View in the project. So you can see here, it has been saved. The codes have been saved. Okay, now again go back into the home. Again activate this, work with models. Again click here. Now I will take the another example which is related to the prediction. This was a classification example. So here I will write down time series 3. Create. Browse. So there is one data file sensex. So again the question is it a time series analysis? So I'll say yes, it is a time series analysis. Last time we said no because it was a classification problem. This time I'll say yes. So what is your objective? Is it a forecasting or a anomaly prediction? So I'll say forecast. Okay, in this what do you want to predict? So I'm having two columns. So one is the year and the second is the return. So I want to predict the returns. Okay, now go in the experiment settings. So you can see here the red mark. It means that there is some problem here. Click on the data source. So click on time series. Now it's giving me a warning. The selection for number of backtest, gap length, and holdout size would result in too little training data. So uh, we will have to reduce the holdout length. So 1, 2, just see here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done. So we have optimized it. So we are having enough data for training and enough data for validation, which you can see in this 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is for the holdout. Now save the settings. So your data is ready for running the experiment. Run the experiment. So we got the output. Again, the relationship map is there. Now in this, so it gives you the message that the experiment has completed 3 pipelines generated from the algorithms. So the best one, let's say that this is the best one. Click on it. So here the model evaluation will be done on the basis of some other statistics. The algorithm is BATS. So this is the chart of actual values and predicted values, prediction over time, feature summary. Now click on swap view. So which are the algorithms which have been considered? So Halt Winters, BATS, ARIMA, that is autoregressive integrated moving average, and this was discarded because this pipeline was not favorable. So it has been discarded. Backtesting has also been completed. Now click on the pipeline comparisons. So we don't have any metric here. Okay, experiment summary. So the options available are only one. Symmetric mean absolute percentage error. Now scroll. You will get the pipeline leaderboard, which is the best one. So ARIMA is the best algorithm for predicting this type of data. I'll again click on swap view, and this is, so this was all about IBM Watsonx AI For more videos on generative AI and machine learning, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.